Alright, so I just got 128 gigabyte SD card. Boom shakalaka. I got it from some super cheap place online. Links will be below. And the idea is I'm going to try taking the SD card out of the BlackVue and replacing it with this one. So normally it's a $200 markup for getting the BlackVue with 128 gigabytes. However, I got this card for $70. It's the Lexar 633x, 128 gigabytes. Now I was thinking about getting a more high performance Lexar. There's a 1000X and all that kind of stuff. However, I read on the reviews online that if you actually get a card that's too fast, it will actually make the BlackVue run slower. What can I say? What can I say? Makes sense, isn't it? Ta-da! This is the card we're going to be sticking in. So I guess I'll just unplug these. You pull it to open. The SD card's just there. So you press it in. You get it out. Whew, it's really hot. This BlackVue is really hot. There you go. I guess you just slot it in. So the arrow is this way. So I'm putting it in with the branding facing towards me. Boom shakalaka. You're in. Let me just clip it back on. I mean, nothing much happening. Done. It is now plugged in. I will let you know if it works, and I'll also let you know if I have to reset up everything again with Wi-Fi, the recording speed, the country, the location, the date and the time. It's testing the SD card.
Check SD card.
It says check SD card.
If you do get that check SD card error message, fire up this utility. Put the SD card in your computer, hit that erase button, select MS-DOS FAT, and you're done. You're slim again. It should work.
BlackVue for your safe driving. Starting normal recording.
Nice.
So all you have to do was format the new SD card as FAT instead of exFAT, and then it recognized it, initialized it, and started recording. Boom!